Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video you will see how to create the dashboard using the Excel data. So in previous video we have used the CSV file to create a dashboard, and in this video we will use the Excel file to create a dashboard. So let's start. So in this video we will create dashboard on the financial data, like we need a expense data. We have the expense data, and for that we have to create the dashboard. So let's see the data first. So I have this Excel file. Let me open it. So this is the file which is contain multiple columns, like the segment for which it is order, like for the government or for the mid market or for the channel partners. So these are the some segment we have. Then we have the country names, for which country we have like the order was placed. Then the product name, the brand discount, then how much unit we have sold, then the manufacturer cost, then the sale price, then gross sale, discount, sale. Then we have the COGS, then the profit, date, month number, month name, and year. So this is the data which we have, and we are going to create dashboard with it. So let me just close this. If you see this file, the file saved with .xls format, so it is an Excel file. So let me close this and just go to the Power BI. So if you don't have Power BI installed in your system, you need to install it. I have given video link in description. You can watch that video and get Power BI installed. So this is the first page you will get after opening the Power BI. And here we have the different option, like we can get a blank report and then we can import data to the Power BI, or else we have the others option from where we can directly get the data, like we have the 1 lakh data hub. Then we can get X from the Excel, the SQL server, the with the sample data we can learn, and we have the get data from the other source option. So first we'll select the blank report, and let's first understand what is this. So the first part you can see the files, then home, insert, modeling. We have these different tabs, and in Power BI language it is called as a ribbon. So we have the same as the Excel, we have this. So this is the ribbon. Then at the bottom we have the pages option, so we can work on multiple pages at a single time. So currently we are not going to work on multiple pages, so let me delete this other one. So currently we are working on the single page. Then this platform or this space you are seeing, this is the our workspace, and here we are going to create the dashboard. Then at the right hand side we have three options, like filter, visualization, and data. So these are the three important panes in the Power BI. So panes means PANE. So panes. So first pane is filter pane, and it is used to, or it allow you to filter your dashboard. Like you have a country data, you have expense data, and you have to filter it for the particular country. So we can apply filter from here. Then next we have the visualization pane. So for the visualization pane, it is most important pane in Power BI, and it is used for the two important things. First, so it will allows you to make visuals or make different charts, like pie chart, graph chart. Then we can create the column chart, table chart, different chart we can uh, do using the visualization tab. And second thing, it allow you to format your visuals, like if you want to increase the font size, need to add a border, or any changes you need to do, you can use the visualization pane. And third we have the data pane. So you are importing data from the like database or in from the Excel sheet or from the CSV file. So all data after importing it will show or display in the data pane. So we'll see later how it will display. Then we have next how we can import the data. So we have first option here. So you can see multiple options like load data from the Excel or SQL server. Directly we can use this to load the data, or we can go to the home tab, and here we have others option like Excel, and here from here we can also get the data, or also we have other option like get data. So if you click on this text now, you will get this list, or if you click on more, so you will see all the list which Power BI support to get data. So currently we are using the Excel sheet. You can see it is my Excel data, finance Excel data. So we'll select the Excel. So let's select from here only. So we'll create a select, click on the import data from Excel, and we'll select our sheet. So my sheet placed on the desktop. So I'll select from here and just click on open. So it will open. So you can see here it is open, and here we have this option like if your sheet is having more than one sheet. Let me show you. So this is our sheet, and if here we have only one sheet, but maybe you could have the multiple sheet in uh, one Excel file. So Power BI allows you to select the particular sheet from multiple sheets. So that's why we are getting this window. So we'll select the one, the 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 sheet which we are going to use, that only. So let me delete this sheet first. So this is our sheet. Now we'll select the financial sheet. So this is the data which we have, and just we need to select this checkbox, and at the bottom we have three options like load data, transfer data, and cancel data. If you cancel, we just move out from this page. If then we have next option is transform data. So if you want to change any data from or any column or any row from this sheet, you can transform the data. And next we have the load data. So currently we are not going to transform any data, we just going to use the same. So we'll click on load. So it is loading. So you can see in data pane our financial options is display, and all data or all column names are displayed here. Now let's create the dashboard. So first though we have a different options. If you go to the visualization pane, we have multiple option. By using we can create a dashboard. So the first option will use the card to show the sales of. So to I just want to show the sales. So I'll select the cart option from here. Then I'll go to the data pane and I select the sales and just drop in field option. So if you can see, if I select this card in fields option, here we have the option to import data. So like if I just select this, drag this cells and enter in this field, so you can see in cart my some of the cell is displayed. Currently background color is white, so I just want it in the color. So what I'll do, in visual pane we have the second option, format your visuals. So I'll just click on here, then go to the callout value, and I'll just add a color to the text. So you can see blue color is added. Now again what I'll do, I'll just go back to the visual pane, and I'll just go to general and go to effect, and here we have the background option. So I'll select the different color for the background, like this one I'll select, or I'll just select paint one. So this one I'll select. So in this way you can format your visual. Now next I have to add a card for the profit. I want to show the total profit. So what I'll do, I'll just add one card. You just need to click on this and the card will add it in sheet. You just need to fix it where you want to add, then just select this card and we need to add the profit here. So what we'll do, we'll just drag the profit and drop in the field option. So you can see some of the profit is displayed. Now let's color. So I just added it. Now let's add the more cards. So what I will just click on it and I'll add the other card. It will show me the what was the gross sale. So I just what I did, just drag this and drop it here. Now let's color. Now let's add the other card and it will display units sold, how much unit we have sold. So let's drag this and drop it here. So it is showing 1.13 million of the units we have sold. Now this is the card which is showing me different values, like first one is showing me sum of the sale, second one is showing the sum of profit, then how much is the gross sale and how much unit we have sold. Now what I want is sum of the sales by product. So how much product we have and its sales we want. So what I'll do, I'll just add one donut chart here, and in this, so if you select this donut chart, here we have the legend option and the values option. Then we have details and tooltips. So in legend, what we need first the product details. So we'll add product detail in the legend, and in values, what we want, sales, how much sales it has. So we have added it. So in this way, you can show your data for how for which product how much was the sale in the form of donut chart. And there is other option it will give us. So here if you scroll it, here we have the tooltips option. So if you want to show any other information regardless the sales and product, so what we'll just do, we'll just take, so I want to show the year in that. So what I'll do, I'll just drag the year and add in tooltips. So if you hover over your cursor or if you select any option from the tooltips, it will show you the product name, the sum of the sale and sum of the years, or years it will show, or it let's do the sold units. So it will show the how much units we have sold. So one more thing is in the Power BI, like if you select any option, like so this is the donut, I'm selecting the particular product PTT, and if I select this product, the data from all the Power BI charts or from the all the cards, it will show for that particular product only. See, if I select the other product, my values are getting changed. So no need to worry about this. You just need to select this again and it will show you the previous data. So this is the sum of the sales and product or the units we have done. Now I want one table which is display my all the product its sales, what was the profit, and what was the gross sale for that. So here we have other option, table option. We'll select this table. We'll just adjust it. And what we need to do, we just drag different values. Like first we need the product, so we'll select the product and drag in table. Next we have next what we want, the sales option, sales we want, so we'll just drag the sales and drop in the table. Next we have want the profit, so we'll just drag and drop. And next what we want, the gross sale. So in this way you can create the table view which is showing me my product, what was the sale, sum of the sale for that product, profit, and what was the gross sale. So in this way you can create a table. Now what I want data with the country. So for the particular product, how much, in which country it is sold. So what we'll do, we'll just add a pie chart. So you just need to select it and it will get added automatically. Just placed it. Now here we have again two values. First one is legend and second one is the value. So in legend what we'll add, the country, and in values what we want, the product. So we'll add the product and country. So you can see for the particular country which product and its percentage. Here also we have the tooltips option if you want to show extra data in this. Like I want to show the sales. So what I'll do, just drag the sales and drop in tooltips. So once when you hover your the cursor now, it will show your data here. The next what I want to add one graph which is showing me my sales, my profit, and my year in a single table I want to show. So what I'll do, I'll just, here we have the clustered column chart option. We'll just select this and it will add it. Now here we have the x-axis and y-axis. So in x-axis what will show, will show the years, and let's add years in x-axis, and y-axis will show the product, or we can show the profit. So we can add data like this, or we can have just product in the x-axis, and we can have profit in y-axis. So it will show the product and how much the profit. So I want with the profit, I want the sales to be displayed in this chart. So what I'll select, I'll just select the sales and I'll add in y-axis. So with the profit, my sales will be displayed in this column chart. So in this way you can show the multiple values in a single column. Now next I'll add one graph, line graph, which will show me the details in the from a graph. So it will easy to like track. So what I want in graph, I just, in graph as well we have the x-axis and y-axis. So I want the profit and sales. So in x-axis I'll add the profit, and in y-axis I'll just add the sales, and it will show your data like this. Or else what we can do, we can add our sales in y-axis and profit in x-axis. So in this way you can add the multiple options in the multiple ways. So in this way you can create the dashboard using the Excel file. So this is which we have done.